Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This morning in one of my classes, a student of mine admitted that she'd recently paid for her puppy to have 10 one-hour lessons with a specialist dog trainer. Now, I'm not an expert in animal behaviour, but this sounded slightly extravagant to me, and I guess I probably looked slightly taken aback. In all honesty, I was basically incredulous that someone would spend so much money doing something that I always thought pet owners were supposed to do themselves. So I responded by saying, seriously, 10 one-hour lessons just to train a puppy? This is God's way of telling you you've got too much money. If you say this is God's way of telling you something, it basically means this is what you actually think yourself, and you're just using the idea of God to make it sound slightly less direct. So basically what I meant here was, seriously, that sounds a bit crazy to me. I think you've clearly got too much money. In the same way, you might hear a heavy smoker you know coughing their lungs up in the staff room one morning, and you might respond by saying, that cough doesn't sound very good. That's God's way of telling you it's time to stop smoking. A football coach or an athletics coach might shout at the players or the athletes that they're training when they complain that they're feeling the pain. And they might say, listen, pain is God's way of telling you you need to work harder. Basically meaning, I think you need to work harder. Boredom is God's way of telling you that you're wasting time. If you've enjoyed this video and you don't feel that you've been wasting time, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use that's God's way of telling you